because he's working. Sabi niya, I mean, to the effect na, I'm going to boy at 4:15, I love to stop working because I have to catch Kalema. So, sabi ko din, Ace, talagang gagawa tayo ng paraan. So, a lot of people are looking forward to your show, to the serye. And congratulations, it starts when?
It starts tomorrow.
Wow!
Yes. At 4:50. Yes, it starts tomorrow at 4.
Alam mo ba, I think a lot of people are excited kasi yung team up nila talagang naging successful. And people also have new expectations sa yung dalawa. And in the past years, 3 years, ang dami yung pinagdaanan sa karera, sa pag-ibig. How different will it be now na magkasama kayo, working against each other?
Good answer.
Well, it's been years. Magkasama po kami sa Ago Benita nung pareho kami nagsisimula. Tapos ngayon, tatlong taon na nakakalipas at pareho kami ni Mateo, marami na maging napagdaanan in our personal lives, sa career namin. So I guess, ibang-iba na nga talaga this time. It's going to be kami pa rin, kami dalawa pa rin, pero I guess mas mature, mas marami ng kaalaman.
Ang daming baon. Di ba? Ikaw na
Tama ito, boy. Halimbawa, 3 years ago nung nasa-set kami ng Agong Benita, unang-una hindi ako marunong Tagalog namin. So sobrang iba. Tapos as a person also, you know, as years pass, I feel like I've grown a lot. Kumbaga, I feel like both of us have grown a lot, matured, and parang we're deeper people, kumbaga, ngayon. So I'm very excited for this.
That should show in your work, in your acting, ika nga. Pero sa tatlong taon na yun, wala bang pagkakataon na you look at each other differently? Na parang, will I fall for this girl? Or ano ba yun? Because, you know, this is
She's definitely beautiful.
Meron ba mga pagkakataon? Or timing was always wrong?
Hindi na, nung Agong Benita out kasi dati ito, boy, meron kaming, girlfriend boyfriend nun.
Oh, okay. So your eyes never strayed kahit konti.
No, I guess that just goes to show na yung time nga talaga naman. Bata pa kami, even in relationship namin.
Okay.
Walang ano yun, platonic lang talaga.
Platonic. But you guys always had a good working relationship.
Very. You know, Andy and I were very, very open to each other. Like, basta lahat, alam niya, alam ko.
You became very, very good friends.
Yeah.
You know why I asked? Dahil, of course, these are iconic personalities. I did interviews with Vilma Santos and Boyan De Leon. And they were the tandem. They were the dramatic tandem of, you know, of Philippine cinema. Pero ang nangyayari sa kanila, every time they would work together, pero boyfriend, si V, yung hindi na kasi na nagtatagpo. Yes. It had always had something to do with timing.
I guess yung sa amin naman ni Mateo, parang, hindi, kahit na walang boyfriend or girlfriend kami nun, it's not that,
Hindi
naman
pwede.
po talaga ganun. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin, just because we work together, we have to fall in love with each other. What's great about us is that what we learned about each other is that we can be amazing friends to one another, and that makes it easier for us to work together.
No, the reason why I asked also is because this is a very intimate business. You know, and alam natin na hindi madali yung pinagdaanan sa nakaraang 3 taon. And during breaks, for example, when you go to a set where you don't have anybody but each other, you know, you can really fall sometimes out of because of the wrong reasons.
And be a shoulder to cry on.
Diba? Ano yung nangyayari? But I know now, and I'm looking at both of you, and you're both very tough. You're both very tough. Diba? And the last time, dumalaw ka dito sa labas, parang you said something like, I will do everything to prove my something to Jay. What was that?
Oh,
Did you?
Because he wasn't found, right?
Yeah, he was here, but only for her.
Okay.
Very
Very
nice.
nice.
Yes, for okay. Yun, I think yung snap ko na muna yun. Parang, there's no time for nila.
Okay.
Hindi siya natatapos. Hindi siya pa siya natatapos. But that's okay with me. Yung ko lang po sabihin is that gusto ko katunayan yung sarili ko na seryoso po ako sa trabaho ko. And I'm not here para, and mahal ko po yung ginagawa ko, but I'm not here para makabuo ng sariling, ng ibang buhay na hindi naman talaga kasali.
But talent will always prevail. Diba? Kung ordinaryong tao lamang ang nagdaan sa mga pinagdaanan mo, diba? Iba. You've been through a lot in your young years, and I look at this, sinasabi ko sa kanya, you were born to controversy. Para talagang kita ko si Ari, pero lahat kaya. But anyway, ikaw, napakalakas ang ugo, di ba? Something to do with Sarah Heronimo. Everybody's so excited about you na sabi nila, boto ang pamilya mo, boto ang pamilya ni Sarah, and everybody's happy. I don't know, would you like to comment?
I don't know, Tito
My
Boy.
mom and dad are here, hello po.
Dahil Tito Boy talagang, I'm really concentrating on this.
I understand, don't say anything if you don't have to. I mean, that's
Because
okay.
I'm just happy everybody's happy and
Okay,
Tito Boy, Tito Boy.
that boy wants to ask, parang give us a glimpse kasi excited kami lahat para sa'yo, di ba? Give us a clearer picture. Ano nga ba talaga ng status ng friendship nyo, ng relationship nyo? Because I know you mentioned earlier, before, that crush mo si Sarah, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hanggang ngayon, crush mo pa rin ba si Sarah?
Oh man, I admire her. I admire her very much. I admire her as a person.
Actually, I understand the question. I really, really understand the prudence, ika na. Yung kailangan maingat.
Thank you.
Ako talaga nagtatanong, nililigawan mo ba si Sarah?
May mga silence ka.
Oo, sige.
Minsan yung katahimikan talaga mas eloquent, hindi ba?
Pero syempre, it helped me. Ako naman, kasi parang excited ako.
Ako rin. Oo.
Kinikilig ako.
Pero let's leave it at it. Kami daw talaga nag-usap. Let's talk about Galema.
Okay.
We are excited for Galema. Totoo yun. Kahit ako sa ahas.
What are your characters here? Di ba ikaw si
Morgan.
Yes po, ako si Morgan. Basically, ako po ay isang journalist reporter. Hinahanap ko yung tatay ni Galema, si Zuma, kasi sila yung pumatay sa pamilya ko, sa tatay ko. So I'm in the quest of finding why he killed my father and kumbaga revenge. Diba? And then through the story, my love story kami ni Galema, na parang anong pipiliin ko, pamilya o love? Parang gano'n.
Magandang tanong niya. Sana balikan ka namin dyan. You have to make a promise. You have to make a promise. You have to make a promise. When you're ready to talk, I hope you can come back to the box.
Yes.
And we'll do a conversation. Promise? Promise?
Syempre, hindi ako makatingis. If given the choice between family and love, ano pipiliin mo?
Yeah.
Choose both. Yeah, choose both. Your family
Para
is-
sa kung tinatanong mo.
Oo, di ba?
You'll
Yes,
choose.
I'll go with one.
Andy, ikaw. Talk about Galema. Anak ni Subo.
Yes, well, ako po dito si Galema. Ako po yung anak ni Zuma. I was raised by a good family. Mabuti po akong tao. Ang pagkakaalam ko po at ang lahat ng tao ay na may puso ko po ay mabuti. Pero yung malalaman natin throughout the show is kung ano ba talaga po yung mas aangat. Yung values na naturo sa akin ng pamilyang nagpalaki sa akin or kung ano talaga yung nananalitay sa akin dugo na pagiging halima.
Gusto ko yan, when you guys talk about values, di ba? Kasi hindi lamang yung natutuwa tayo sa ating pinapanood, pero ang sarap kasi na natatapos ang mga serye, pero meron kang baon, meron kang natututunan, at merong, Shalene, mga bagay na naiaaklan mo sa iyong kwento, sa iyong pamilya, na parang pinagdadaanan ni Galema. No, this is real, ha? Yung pinagdadaanan ni Galema ay hindi man eksakto, pero ganito ang kanyang ginawa, may natutunan ako. Di ba? Nice. But you have to promise you have to come back.
Gusto rin
Anytime, invite everybody to watch.
Yes po, mga pamilya Galema, anak ni Zuma, bukas na po sa Kapamilya Gold. This is going to be 4:15 ng hapon. And of course, with the beautiful Andy Eigenman. And directed by the one and only Wendy Dramas po.